Good afternoon. What's the vibes? What's going on? How you feeling? It's your boy 009 Fly, man. You know the vibes, man. Another little video, another lifestyle update. Before we get too deep, I just want to say huge shout out to Reebok. Huge shout out to my man's Dodson for putting this whole situation together. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it, man. So, long story short, many of you may know this already, or maybe you don't, but I'm a music producer turned A&R. So basically, I work with labels and different artists and musicians, and essentially it's my job to just put them together, right? Create a little situation, keep shit going. Um, so the main artist I've been working with over the past couple of years is Dom Dior. You've probably seen some of the music. You've probably heard me talk about him. Really good friend, great artist. You know what I mean? He's half the reason why I'm in the position to even be doing this kind of thing in the first place, right? So huge shout out to him. But yeah, so we've been working on dropping our album, just putting the pieces together creatively, and all sorts of different marketing and stuff like that. But we had a conversation, one of those meetings, and it went along the lines of like, dude, we live in Boston. There's a number of shoe companies out here: Converse, Reebok, New Balance, Puma, right? So we're like, what the fuck? Like, let's tap into that network. Let's see if we can reach out and however it gets done. But closed mouths don't get fed, especially in this industry. So you really have to be proactive about the kind of opportunities and situations that you're chasing. Um, Me knowing a lot of people, Dom knowing a lot of people. I mean, and I really want to give props to him because I always stress to him like the importance of keeping good relationships and being professional, right? Not just being the artist, not just being good in the studio, but being good outside the studio, so these things can translate. So Dom knew a guy that's part of our community, Dodson, and he reached out to him. I reached out to him, got a feel for the situation, and ultimately, Dodson fucks with Dom. Dodson fucks with Dom's music. Dodson fucks with me. Magic happens, and basically they told us to make a list of things we want from the Reebok website. Hey, 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 you feel me? Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? I can't control these things. I don't know what the fuck going on, but you know, ask for one thing, we getting a couple things. So whatever. Shout out to them. So yeah, me being me, my ass made a list of 9 things. Like I picked 3 shoes, 3 tops, 3 bottoms, because I'm just like, hey, I don't know what they have, what they're willing to part with. So I just want to be smart, right? I'd rather aim big and get something as opposed to aiming small and just getting that or maybe getting that. You know what I mean? And same with Dom. He made a little list. Um, so yeah, shout out to those guys. They sent it through a big ass box, right? It came through last week. And this was like part of the video I wanted to show you guys, a little unboxing, show y'all what I got. Yeah, let's get into it. First off, you know what I'm saying? Some nice little kicks, right? Shout out to Reebok. Clean little box, classy. Let's open it up. Let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. Yeah. Look at that. What a shoe. Mwah. What a shoe. Let's put this down. Man, it's clean. Super clean. A low top, like a little city shoe, tennis shoes. Oakland A's colorways. I'm a sucker for the Oakland A's colorways. You see it in the background, Oakland. That's me. That's where I'm from. So, oh yeah, these are my babies right here, man. These casual, like it's not too aggressive, but they fly, like it's calm. You feel me? Take a girl on a date in these, some calm little slacks, a polo shirt. Yeah, I mean, dude, the details. I'm a sucker for details. Look at that. Look at the tongue, dude. Like it has like mesh fabric and whatnot. Like beautiful. This is actually a beautiful shoe. I just think, due to like marketing and society, like obviously we're conditioned to only like the major brands and stuff. But objectively, like the design, the silhouette, the the, the 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 stitching patterns and you know what I mean. It's a well put together shoe. It looks really good. Um, yeah, I have no complaints. I cannot wait to wear these with like some shorts or like sweatpants or something. I feel like um, these are gonna be a really good fit for my style, and that's obviously part of the game. You know what I mean? Getting these, we reached out, we got some product, and now it's time to make some content around the product, right? Now it's time to like go to the studio with these shits on and show y'all how fly I can get while rocking with Reebok. That's the whole point, right? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. um, and don't get on me about putting a sneaker on my head. Like, come on, these are brand fucking new. Like, there's literally nothing on the sole, so come on, don't do that. Next, we got some simple black sweatpants with the logo. You know, you can't go wrong with simple, small logo items because at the end of the day, not everybody wants to be a walking fucking logo, right? Sometimes you just want to put something on and just it matches everything you got. It's simple, it's subtle. That's me. You know what I mean? I'm a pretty simple guy when it comes to swag or whatever. So, um, I don't always need the biggest design, the loudest design, the boldest color. That's not really my style. You know what I'm saying? I keep it smooth, keep it simple. Classic guy. You know what I'm saying? I let the personality, I let the details speak for itself. The shorts. I just needed some shorts, right? But this, oh, they sent me a nasty sweatshirt, man. So apparently Reebok has a collab with Victor Solomon. I put that on the list. Now, first thing I want to say about this hoodie is like the texture, the material. This is like some premium ass materials, dude. I don't know if it's like cotton or nylon or something mixed with spandex, but like it feels really good. Like it's thick and heavy, very heavy, but at the same time, like it's still like pretty stretchable. So I'm a fan of that. I just want to look to see what fabric it says. Whatever, but I mean, look at the details and accents of this. You know what I mean? Like has gold accents on like the lace lock type shit, the holes for where the strings go, the you know the tips of the laces have gold on them. Like this is just a very beautiful, like you know what I mean. And look on the chest they have the Victor Solomon with Reebok logo. It's like a gold medallion imprinted on the like this. You know what I'm saying? This is just a very well designed item. I love how this looks. Shout out to Victor Solomon. Shout out to Reebok. Um, this is just like a very like premium luxury hoodie, and I love it. I'm in love. And if you see on the back, you probably can't see it, but it has like outlines on the stitching to look like a basketball. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I cannot be any more thrilled for this. You know, I'm just surprised they actually sent it through. Like I didn't think they would, but these are beautiful. You see, I'm opening up the package for you, right? Come on, man. Come on, man. I ain't even opened the packages for my damn self. I wanted to make the video and show y'all what's going on. I'm real, bro. Come on. Fuck with me. I'm trying. And even the pants got the gold medallion on them. Like shit. All right, not medallion, but you know what I'm saying. Like that's hard, bro. That is hard. That is unbelievably hard. Come on, son. I'm finna put that shit on. Yeah. Oh man. Oh man. So in conclusion, man, that's all I want to say, man. Shout out to Dom for being a hardworking artist for making this possible for both of us. Shout out to Dodson for not being a head ass, right? For seeing the local economy, for seeing what's going on and wanting to tap in and want to show love and want to help out the process. Shout out to Dodson. And most importantly, shout out to Reebok. You know what I mean? Shout out to the big dogs. However the meeting went, whoever was on that phone call, whoever was in the room, whatever names were on that piece of paper, hey, not my business. But I just appreciate the fact that y'all approved it to send it to us. It means the world. And it also kind of shows the trajectory of where things are going for me and my artists. You know what I mean? It's like a cool benchmark. You know, like word, we got here, we did that. What else can we do? Right? The future's ours. Stay positive. Keep working hard. Who the fuck knows? You know, I really don't. I just like doing fly shit, right? So I'm super grateful. And with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for just tuning in and listening to what we got going on. If you ever have any questions or comments or something for me, if you ever want to communicate and reach out, please hit me up. My Instagram is 009fly. Um, you know what I mean? I don't bite. I try to be honest and transparent about uh, the shit that we do. You feel me? So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Feel me? Like and subscribe. Holla at me later.